Darkness at 12:17 to shots and sirens. Look out the window, peek the high beams. Now they searching. The cops looking for the person that pulled the trigger. Medical niggas is nursing the kid that got shot. Some innocent out there with fun. They flip the rock on them and keep shooting. I try to tell them to stop. Cause yo, it's ghetto red hot. I take a step out the spot to the point of attack. And see the shorty rock. Hard glass out his back. Damn, I'm thinking it don't cease. It's no more peace. Police level increase. But what the fuck is still crime on the streets? I can't breathe. Know what's going on. 1 minute you alive, the next you're on Illidale. What's wrong for the others? For the niggas who fell. For the niggas who fell. When that could have been prevented. In front of the flat, your arms training. And no one expect that from you cause you was timid. Fucking with them cats from outside city limits. Funny how this whole thing changed in all minute. Yo, digging, panic. None of this is ever granted. Drowning in a nightmare, stranded.
Jones, you're up.
Darkness at 12:17 to shots and sirens. Look out the window, peek the high beams. Now they searching. The cops looking for the person that pulled the trigger. Medical niggas is nursing the kid that got shot. Some innocent out there with fun. They flip the rock on them McKean Street block. I try to tell them to stop. Cause it was ghetto red hot. Similar to the blood now, blood is top. I take a step out the spot to the point of attack. And see the shorty rock. Hard glass out his back. Damn, I'm thinking it don't cease. It's no more peace. Police level increase. But what the fuck is still crime on the streets? I can't breathe. Know what's going on. 1 minute you alive, the next you're on Illidale. What's wrong to the heavens from the niggas who fell?
ATL. What's up? What's up? What's up?
I got a plan, I got a better strategy. Had to be mad at you, because I got a better salary. Actually, you will be cooking like Bottle Robin, never top, because you'll never stop the atom bomb. Hiroshima, Nagasaki, got me in the manuscript, man, you slip, you sloppy. Joe Smoke, never no more, I'm better than you, I'm never gonna stop, I'm sure I'm better than you. Like cannabis, and it's
Hey, oh my God, it just keeps going.
like I played it in me, any might vote. Slow mo, approach, yo. Because I'm the man and you can read it in Genesis. ADAF, the A. Check out that slang, do the same, running the game of fly chicks, real tight, so they feel right with the 5-6, yeah, and it's like that. And that's how it is, G. The skins I cross get tossed like a frisbee. Searching 5 lines of light in my scripture. Screen can't be seen, so they can't get the picture.
Dude, Atlanta for round 2.
This ain't rap music, this straight literature. Small-minded nigga, all your ideas miniature.
Let his arms get tired.
When they can't get rid of ya, I ain't going nowhere. 20-year career minimum. Call hit boys for beats, ask for minimum. I don't follow trends, my nigga, I swing the pendulum. If the bitch bad, then bitch, I'm gon' give her some. Let's reflect times, I try to collect minds from complex rhymes. And by the way, should I take 9s? Go and shut the fuck up, just let me talk, nigga. I'm a time bomb, it's waiting to go off, nigga. Quite nuclear, I mean, Julia, Renaissance starter. My mind divine, this should take me up. Growing up, should I really have beef with my father? But why bother explaining my feelings? Try harder, but either way, they gon' paint you the villain. 8 months with no phone, dog, we aiming for brilliance. High level, maintaining the building. Alright, my flow sinister. This ain't rap music, this straight literature. Small-minded nigga,
What you got?
is miniature.
Let 'em know.
They hate on you when they can't get rid of you. Never betray them. Keep your mouth shut, cause niggas gon' ultimatum. Stupid situations, the term often creates them. The motor mouth nigga is usually causing mayhem. Little tune flow sinister. I'ma finish him. Many men gon' need ministers. I mean, enemies, I'm the enema. I'ma shit on them just like my keys drop my genesis. On the dinner work, my thoughts are keep confidential. It's consequential. Philosophies unidentical. I'm not in it, I'm a psychic. Yeah.
Last
crazy battles. Atlanta, Maryland. It will be on YouTube. He's got a camcorder. That's about to be the illest footage of the year. Same.
Y'all crowd, y'all still rocking with us? Okay. No. Judges, 3, 2, 1. Great sounds. Shout out to Dude. That was